Okay, so today Vanessa's gonna sing a song.
Tough Lover.
And Tough Lover. And this is Vanessa Mendez. I'm still using it.
Okay. Well, I thought there was a person there. Anyways. If you saw the movie Burlesque, you know what song I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I need a tough lover. Yeah, yeah, I need a tough lover. Ooh, I need a tough lover. Yeah, yeah, I need a tough lover. Ooh, when he kisses me, I get that thriller. That's basically all I know.
Oh, wow. I can't get over your face, though. This was you. What are you doing?
I'm hiding back here until you finish.
You what?
Until you finish the video.
Dude, you're part of the video. I'm not done yet.
But I don't know any other part of the song.
It's fine. We can just think of something stupid.
Okay.
See, this would be a good time for us to be stupid and funny. Anytime we're on camera, we can't think of anything.
Yeah, like, we know a camera is, like, in front of us, and then we're, like, really boring.
What do we do?
No cameras around, and we're, like,
Hilarious.
dead hilarious. Not dead hilarious, 'cause dead isn't funny, but hilarious. Yeah. See, I'm not funny. I'm not funny.
You're not. I'm sorry. Sadly, you're not. See, if we were off camera, that would be hilarious. That would be hilarious.
Yeah.
This is just sad. And you know what the funny thing is? No one's even seen my face behind the camera.